we'll guide you through how to sell on Gumroad. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Gumroad website and sign up or log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Products tab on the left-hand side. Click on it, then you can select New Product to start creating your listing. You'll need to choose the type of product you're selling. It could be a digital product, physical good, or a membership. After selecting the type, enter a name for your product and set a price. You can always change this later, so don't worry if you're unsure. Next, click on Customize to add more details about your product. You should upload a cover image that represents your product well because visuals can really help attract buyers. Write a clear and engaging description that explains what your product is about and what buyers will receive. Don't forget to include any important information like file formats for digital products or shipping details for physical items. After setting up the details, go to Settings to manage payment options. Ensure your PayPal or bank details are correctly linked to receive payments. Once that's all set, click Save and Publish to list your product on Gumroad. You can share the link to your product page on social media or through email to start driving traffic to your listing. Remember, promoting your product is key to getting sales, so think about how you can reach your audience effectively. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.